there is my combination. First of all, your weight is on your right, and you're gonna do an arabesque with your left by using your glutes and your abductor, and contract twice. Drop, drop. And then step, side, drop, shimmy. I'm gonna repeat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, drop, shimmy. Again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, heel, shimmy. Then step forward with your right, pivot, forward, pivot, passé, pose. I'm gonna repeat it. So step forward with your right, right, pivot, passé, drop. From the beginning. So 2, 3, 4, heels, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, your hip is on your right. You're gonna twist twice in the back. Twist, twist, with a big circle. While you're doing your big circle, you're gonna put your right foot in the back of your left. So, passé, pose, twist, twist, big circle, step. You're gonna do shimmy again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, pivot, passé, pose. Twist, twist. Big circle, drop, shimmy. Another time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, pivot, up, down. Twist, twist. Big circle, shimmy. Then, I'm gonna show my hip with my hand, and I'm gonna do 2 drop, drop, drop. Step, reach, slide. I'm gonna repeat, so drop, drop, step, reach, slide. Now I'm gonna do a big barrel turn. For that, I'm sure to keep my back really straight as much as I can. Good. And my barrel turn will finish with a hip high. So, pop. So repeat from the beginning. Hip, twice, step, heel, shimmy. Step forward, pivot, up, down. Twist, twist, big circle, shimmy. 2 drop, 1, 2, reach, slide, barrel turn, up. Now I'm gonna repeat on the other side, exactly the same thing. So 2, hip side, step, back, shimmy. Step forward, pivot, passé, down. Twist, twist, heel. 2, drop, reach, slide, turn, up.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.